Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Secret Point. My name is Milan, and in this video session I am going to explain one program how to read the content of a file. Okay, so the file may be any kind of file. It may be document file or text file or Java file or any kind of file. Okay, so through the Java program how you can able to read the file, that I am going to explain on this video session. Here in the screen you can see that I have already written one program, a Java program, through which we are going to read the content of different file. Okay, so here in the first statement I have mentioned that import statement, these two are the classes which we are going to use to read the content of a file. Okay, so this is the file class and file input stream class. These two class you must have to include to your program or project. And here I have given the my class name as file reading, and inside that class I have taken the main method, that is public static void main string array args, and within that main method what I was doing is I was creating one object of file class. Here in this statement you can see that I was creating one object of file class, and I am pointing this file object is pointing to this file. Okay, here I am not mentioning any of the location, means it is indicating that it is located under the current working directory. Okay, now in the second statement you can see that I am creating another object of file input stream class, and to which I am passing this file class object as parameter. Okay, so this file object what I created in the first statement, that I am passing as parameter to this file input stream class. And here in the third statement I have I have declared one variable of integer type, that is int I equal to 0, and I am calling the read method of file input stream class, and this read method is going to give one integer value. Okay, so inside this while loop I am comparing whether that I value is not equal to 1 or minus 1 or not. As long as the I value is not equal to minus 1, it is going to continue this loop. Okay, as long as this I value means continuously, this read method is going to give one integer value. Okay, that is going to be stored inside this I variable, and that is going to check that is not equal to with minus 1 or not. If it is not equal with minus 1, then the loop has to be continued. Okay, so within the loop body what I was doing is I was just simply printing the character of I. Okay, whatever the integer value I am obtaining, its character I am printing. Okay, its character type I am doing typecasting here. So finally I am closing the file. Okay, so with this the program got end. Now let's compile this program and see what output we are getting. So to compile this program we have to open the command prompt, open it, and switch to the location where you have kept all your Java programs. Okay, so I'm keeping all my Java programs under this directory structure, so I'm switching to that location. Okay, then cd. Okay, now we are in the location where I have kept this Java program. So before compiling this program, I'm going to show you that my file is located under this directory only. Okay, see here I have shown you that in the program my file name is milu.doc, right? So here you can see that in the current working directory only that file is got located. Okay, so now whatever the content is present inside this file, that I am going to print on the console. So this is the program file reading, and this is the file which is present in the same directory. Okay, so now let's compile and execute this program and check what output we are getting over here. Now in order to compile our program we need to use the javac tool. Okay, so javac file reading dot java. Now wait for some time, it will compile. Okay, now our program got compiled. Now in order to run our program we need to use java tool, java file reading. So here you can see that I have got the output, I loves programming. It is the content which is present inside that document file. So it is got printed over here. Why it is coming in this line means I was written the system.out.println statement. Here it is printing the each character in separate line, that's why it is the output is coming like that. So now once again compile it. Okay, Now run it once again. See, now we got the output in a single line. Allows programming. This is the content what is present inside that document file milu.doc. Okay, now let's do some modification in the code and check what output we are getting. Here I am passing the file object to the as parameter to this file input stream. Instead of this, directly you can pass the file name also. Okay, here directly I can pass milu.doc, but it is not recommended. The standard you has to follow, right? So it is recommended to follow to pass the file object as parameter to this one. Okay, so I'm mentioning it, and in place of this milu.doc I am taking another file name, that is milon.txt. okay, hope this file is present inside that location. Let's check it. Okay, now we are having another file with a text file with the name Milan. Okay, so now let's compile and execute what output we are getting over here. Wait, okay, program got compiled. Now execute. Okay, this text file also having the same content. Okay, that's why it is printing the same message. Here we can check that what is the content it is having. See, that milan.txt file is having the same content, that's why it is printing the same message. Suppose we have to print one Java program. Okay, we have to copy the entire Java program. Then what I have to do is I'm taking that file writing dot java. This is one class which is present inside that location. See, file writing is a class which is present. Now we are performing file reading, but I have to show the content of file writing class. Okay, now compile this program and execute. See, what is the content is present inside that class that we got over this console. All directly whatever the code is written inside that file writing class, all the content got printed over this console. Okay, so initially if we will not do the typecast, then it will print only the integer value. Okay, here I am doing typecasting, so as part of this, whatever the ASCII value of any integer value, that it is printing in a character format. Let's do the modification. Here I am printing only the integer value I. So what is the value is having this variable I, that I am printing directly. So let's check what output we are getting over here. Let's compile. Now run. See what output we are getting. We are getting a number, right? Let me take the println statement. Okay, see, why, what are these numbers means? These are the different ASCII value of different character. Okay, as we have know that for each and every character in Java or in C or any kind of programming language, we are having some value, right? Some machine level code value, that is nothing but ASCII value or Unicode value or something like that. So here each and every character ASCII value it is printing over here. If we want the character format of this ASCII value, then we have to do typecast here. So do the typecast and compile the program again. But before that we should remove this println, or else it will print each and every character in a separate line, which will not look good, right? So compile and execute. See, now we got the program. Whatever the content is there inside that file writing class, that we got all the content over this console. So this is all about file reading program. Hope you like this video. If you do like, then please do subscribe to my channel and keep sharing with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care.